This is where we hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die! And these shield boys! Remember this day, man. For it will be yours for all time.
I will attack the Greeks with my entire navy.